How to switch from Ubuntu to Windows. So to install, switching from Ubuntu to Windows involves there are several steps, including creating a bootable USB drive, backing up with your data, and installing Windows. So make sure you follow this video till the end. Very first thing is that you have to back up your data. So before proceeding, ensure that you back up any important files from your Ubuntu system, as the installation of Windows will erase any existing data, right? So it will override each and everything. Now obtain Windows installation media, purchase a license, you need to buy Windows. So just go to Google and just buy here, buy Windows, right? And here you will get this official website of Microsoft. I hope you have purchased it because you need to get a license key, to use it. For example, the cost is here, it could be different depending upon your country. Now download Windows ISO. Visit the Microsoft website to download the Windows 10 or Windows 11. For example, Windows 11 is the latest one. So I'll just go to Google and search for Windows 11 ISO. So here you will get this option, right? And you can just get it here. It's really easy thing. And once you get it, right, you can here download the Windows 11 ISO file here. So you can just download it. Here it says that before you begin using installation assistant. So you need to just download it. Now follow the instruction on the site to install Ventry on your USB drive. After installing Ventry, simply copy the downloaded Windows ISO file on your USB drive. Now restart your computer and enter the BIOS or UEFI settings. I'm sure you will be using BIOS, usually by pressing F2 in your keyboard or F10 or delete or escape during startup, right? So here, the next thing is that we need to install the Windows. Now boot from USB drive, follow the on-screen instruction to install Windows. When prompted, choose custom installation or remove Ubuntu partitions. Delete existing Ubuntu partitions and create new one for Windows. After installation, ensure that your system boots into Windows. By default, you may need to adjust boot settings, right? And settings in the BIOS again. If you encounter issues during installation, such as Windows cannot find the Microsoft software license term, ensure that your USB is properly formatted and created using Ventry or simpler tools. For detailed video tutorial, you can just watch our other videos. Thanks for watching.